Hola chicos, today I'm going to talk to you about commands and object pronouns. So before you watch this video, I recommend you go back and watch the informal and formal command videos and the indirect object pronouns and the direct object pronoun videos, so you have a complete understanding. So here we're going to divide this into two because there are two different ways we deal with it, the positive and the negative. If we're telling somebody to do something or if we're telling them not to do something, right? So for example, here I'm going to put hacer la tarea para María. So first we need to get, we're gonna say this is a formal, an informal command. So if we're telling them to do something, informal command, this is going to be haz. So what is being done? La tarea, which is la, that's our direct. Para María, this is our indirect, which is le. So with the positive command, we can attach them right to the end. Haz, le, la. Haz, le, la. And we know that when we have two vowel sounds together, we have to go haz, se, la, right? And we need an accent because the stress can never fall on these back here, which are called the clinics, right? So with the positive command, you must attach the pronouns to the end. You do not have a choice. You must attach the pronouns to the end. So let's go with the same sentence. No hacer la tarea para María. We're talking to our friends. We're going to use an informal command. So we're going to bring this down. And this would be no hagas. We have our indirect objects. This is la. We have our indirect object, which is le. With the negative commands, we cannot attach them to the end. No le, la, haga. And we know two L sounds together. That gets crossed out. No se la haga. So the big takeaway here, and this goes for informal commands or formal commands, if it's positive, if you're telling somebody to do something, you must attach the pronouns to the end of the command, of the command. If it's negative, if you're telling somebody not to do something, you must put them at the beginning. You have no choice. That's just the way it goes in Spanish. And this works for formal or informal commands. And that's it for today. Nos vemos.